I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the vocal region and enabling flex pitch so Logic can analyze every note. Once Flex converts the audio, you'll see blobs representing notes. This is how Logic maps sung pitch to editable events. Adjust sensitivity and the pitch drift slider to catch subtle off pitches without overgrabbing noise. Do this now to create a precise foundation. Without clean detection, corrective edits will feel artificial and take longer to fix later. Now you refine each note. Drag the pitch nodes to the target pitch or nudge by sense for micro-tuning. Once done, tame vibrato and drift using their dedicated controls so transitions stay musical rather than robotic. Make sure to listen between edits and compare with bypassed audio to keep performance integrity. If you need more global smoothing, apply the pitch correction plugin with gentle strength and longer response time to maintain character. Finish by bypassing and engaging your edits to a /be the before and after, then automate correction intensity where needed. Chorus may need less than verses. Once satisfied, bounce in place or export the mix at the project sample rate to avoid resampling issues. If you hear artifacts or a warbly tone, reduce correction strength, increase response time, or revert to manual flex pitch edits on problem notes. This usually removes robotic artifacts while preserving pitch accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.